as of now, I've got 2 weeks until Motorama, and I have to go to work and do other stuff in between, but can't wait for Motorama and hope you enjoy the video. I'm doing final mock-up for the seats right now, getting those all in, and I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry I fell a little bit behind on videos. I'm the editor, the filmer, and the mechanic, and the fabricator, and broom sweeper, so I've been super busy trying to get this done, and I appreciate you, everybody watching. Running out of room, so I made this mount to mount. If you go back in the videos or search on my page, this is a Willwood 3/4 master cylinder type deal, and this is an Amazon special drift brake, I guess it's called. And when I did it, they were like $100. No, they were like $150 for both of them, I think it was, or something. It was really cheap. So they're still going strong. They're going to go back into this buggy. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to run a handbrake. I really like them. I was going to mount them up here high on the dash, but I won't be able to reach them. So I came up with this idea. It goes down in like that, and then it's got a bolt, just a through bolt. Oh, I'm on my... There, I was on my ground for my welder. I was wondering why I didn't go in so easily. But that one's in. Let me go grab a 7/16. So 7/16. Tighten this up.
Alex and Spoon is still to do, and then back row resolution, and
she doesn't have to.
Thank you
very much, man. Ian, what a day. Oh, what a race.
Well, we're not. You usually saw that while the two of them were battling through the rock trails earlier. Those trackers will ping sometimes when they're just like this.
Shout out to 386 Fabs for hooking me up with the final guy. The guy, Neil, over at Total Performance Graphics, really killed it. This was all over the phone, and he sent it to me, and it was right the first time. Very professional. I highly recommend him, and I appreciate all my marketing partners that helped me on this build. If you can hear in the background in some of these videos, I am watching King of the Hammers, and I'm sure it will probably irritate somebody's OCD that the garage is a little bit messy. I am sorry. I try to clean up, and when you're thrashing on a deadline, it kind of gets out of hand. But here I'm putting some syrup in my diffs and try not to spill it everywhere. I use this, I think it's Turco or Torco 250 weight. It's almost like gear oil mixed with engine assembly lube and that thick stuff from like AMSOIL or any of those, like an oil additive. Stuff works super great. It's not that pricey. For a gallon and for good oil, it's really worth it. Here's showing my backlit dash, and back to work, enough jibber jabber. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you guys watching. You're the reason why this is all possible, and here's a little sneak preview for the people that actually watch all the way through the videos. This will be on next week's video, and we are loading up and headed to Motorama. And make sure you like, tag, and share, and don't spoil this in the comments.